Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5584-B in color code 052. It's a shiny dark Havana color frame. On the temples here we have a rose gold detailing with a T Tom Ford logo. And at the temple tip we also have a rose gold Tom Ford emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with a Tom Ford emblem in gold. And over here as well. The lenses are a blue block lenses. And at the top left over here we have a Tom Ford logo engraved. This frame is RXable. And the style of the frame is full rim rectangle. Up here we have a gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.